My name is Merlin, and this is my wife Kathy, and we own the Mount Isa Home and Garden Centre. We've been married for 37 years, and for 35 of those years we've been in business together of various sorts. We can always tell what TV programs people have been watching through the week, and you have to very quietly point out to people sometimes that that particular program is aimed at a Victorian audience, and this long list of plants you've got that are so nice and lovely just can't grow up here.
When the American Express Award letter came in the mail, we were quite surprised. At first I thought it was announcing an awards deal that was coming up, but then I read that we'd already won it. We're planning to invest it in our new TV advertisement, so the American Express Award will be very handy there.
The thing I really enjoy is the very early hours around 5:30 in the morning, and I go around and I water all these plants by hand. It's very cool, and you've got time to think, and you can look at the plants, see how they're growing, and what you're actually doing is you're providing nourishment and nurture for what you've got here. I think that's actually an important part of human makeup, to be able to nurture something and see a positive end result.